They said we were a blessing. Two for one. It's a miracle.
Oo, himala para sa kanya.
We wore the same clothes, shared the same bed, we loved together and cried together.
Pero luha mo lang ang pinunasan nila.
We grew up side by side. You were always there.
And yet I was never seen.
Oren, you never said anything.
Because every time I tried, I was told to understand you, to let you shine, to be the strong one, the quiet one and the extra.
I didn't ask to be the favorite.
Hindi mo kailangang humingi, sila ang pumili at pinabayaan mo.
I never meant to hurt you.
But you never stopped either.
I thought we're okay. I thought we're happy.
Masaya? Hindi ako masaya. Nabubuhay ako na parang multo. Laging naririnig pero hindi pinapakinggan.
I never saw it. I'm sorry.
Hindi ko kailangan ng sorry, Earth. Ang kailangan ko noon pa man ay yung maramdaman mong nandito ako. May kakambal ka rin na tao at hindi anino. Pero alam mo, huli na. Kasi natutunan ko ng mabuhay ng hindi umaasang mapansin.